picture. Come on. Take a picture. Kyle, don't touch the car, ha? Don't touch the car.
That was the car.
That's a Lamborghini Murcielago.
Murcielago?
Murcielago ba to? I think so. Oo, that's a Murcielago. Okay, this one, the Audi R8. Oh, take a picture with the Audi R8, kuya.
Grabe.
Oh, here, take a picture with the Lamborghini Aventador.
Oh, subuntog niya sa nalan.
Ito pinakamahal at tickets.
Daddy, picture of yellow. Daddy, dito.
Oh, come here.
Mitsubishi.
Yeah, Mitsubishi Eclipse. Oh. Kyle, come on, let's take a picture here.
Daddy,
Mustang, here.
dito.
Okay. Oh.
Yung photographer ang pinapayungan ko eh.
Oh.
Baka magalit yung photographer eh.
Oh, come on, Kyle.
Daddy, it's a Mustang pala.
Yeah, that's a Mustang. Yeah. Oh.
Daddy, let's... Daddy, picture sa Mustang.
Yeah, okay.
Hindi makikita yung
Okay, come here. Oh, GT40. Take a picture with you. It's a GT40.
pinapayungan ko. May profile na ako.
Wow, nice here. Wow,
Don't touch the car, kuya.
nice daddy, huh?
Oh. Look at the mugs, kuya. Oh.
Mug.
Oh, nice wheels, no?
That is like Honda, no?
Yeah. Come here, kuya.
Daddy, about the Chevrolet Camaro.
Oh, be careful. Wow, Chevrolet Camaro. Come on, let's go check the Chevrolet Camaro. Nice Chevrolet Camaro, no? Kuya, come on, take a picture.
Yes, that Chevrolet Camaro SS.
Yeah, Chevrolet Camaro SS. So, come here. Morning.
Picture lang kita dito ka.
Oh, come on. Let's go back to the Aventador.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's oversized here.
Yeah.
Nice, no?
Oo. Kyle, hold daddy's hand. Chevrolet Camaro SS. Okay, you tell me what those cars are, kuya. What is the first car there, the white one?
Ferrari.
Ferrari F430.
F430.
Okay, the next one is a Ford GT40.
GT40.
Yeah, GT40. Kaya hold mo si Kyle para hawak ko kayo. GT40. Oh. This one, how about this one? What's this?
Mustang.
Yeah, that's a Ford Mustang. Oh. Oh, this one. Mitsubishi Eclipse. Oh, this one. Ferrari F430 again.
F430.
Yes. This one's the Aventador, kuya. Look at the Aventador, oh. So nice, no?